Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform a conversion activity over source system SAP ECC HP7 with IBM DB2, and the target is SAP ECC HP7 with SAP HANA. So this activity is only for database migration. So we are using some in demo mode. Let's take a look. The first thing is after extracting the sum, you have to create a SAP dot underscore add.par file in some ABAP bin folder, and make sure that the seed ADM have appropriate rights to access this file. So right after starting the sum, the first screen will appear as you can see in the window. There are two options. So we are going to select no stack configuration file, only migration data, because we are running sum in demo mode. So proceed to next. In the next step, we are providing the path of where we have downloaded SAP XE and SAP XEDB, the both kernel files. So next we have to provide DDIC password. Select SAP HANA. Phase we are going to provide migration key. Along with that, there are a couple of options that like we have to select either we are going to perform a table comparison, either we are willing to run a test cycle, or we want to we want a system move with DMO. So we are going with do not compare table option. At this stage, we got a message that the system has some modification adjustment and some obsoleted node. So we log into the system and make some appropriate changes like we reset the obsoleted node and some adjustments in SPA and proceed further. Here we have selected advanced option for tool configuration and increase the number of runtime and downtime processes. So according to our hardware. So proceed further. In this phase, we have provided target database clients source directory. So make sure when you are selecting the directory that is appropriate for your operating system. This time we have to provide our target system information. The information includes the target database host name. It must be reachable, the target DB seed, and the target DB instance number. Please make sure when you are mentioning the target DB seed, it would be either available or either you can assign a new tenant here. Here we entered system password. System mean the users of HANA system. So as you can see, at 48% we got an error message. There was nothing to worry. We just got a trace file and found that there was some space issue in our source system. Source mean our ECC EHP7 with DB. So we make some space available and proceed further. At this stage, we got a warning message that we are going to configure a scale-up system with a single node. So we have to implement the mentioned SAP note, download the attachment and edit the attachment, make some appropriate changes as described in the SAP note, uh, copy this file in your source system in your HDB client folder and execute the command as mentioned on the some screen with your SID ADM user. So after implementing this node, proceed to further. Next, as you can see, uh, we are on our next screen. The sum is running successfully. So at 62% we got a message that our system has completed the pre-processing steps. So we are going into a downtime. So just we have selected action completed and proceed to next for our downtime. As you can see in our DBA cockpit, our ECC system has already been switched to the SAP HANA. So it's already done. We are just proceeding post processing step inside. As you can see at 91%, we got another error message. The solution for this error is we got an SAP note. According to SAP note, we have to delete some obsoleted info object, and we just deleted that info object and repeat the sum process. Okay, finally, we have done the migration. Our IBM DB2 has successfully. Let me share with you upghana.xml file. In information, previously we were on DB6 and the new DB is HDB, mean HANA 2.0 Service Pack 3. The actual database size before migration was 596 GB and after migration it is 250 GB. When we talk about the timeline, the total migration runtime is 43 hours 26 minutes and the downtime was 23 hours and 4 minutes. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.